Hi there, are you looking for a prep course for the CFA exams, a different one, something new with a different methodology, a different way to explain the material for the CFA exam? Well, look no further. My name is Henrique Caesar. I am a CFA exam prep provider. I am listed on the CFA Institute website as a CFA exam prep provider, and I create a course, actually an ecosystem of learning, or a learning ecosystem for you to understand the topics that will be tested on the CFA exams and how to prepare for the questions that you may face in the exam. I can promise you a serious course, my dedication as an instructor. I have lots of experience. I have helped several candidates to pass the exam CFA, and I want to help you now to do the same. Get in touch with me. Come learn more about my methodology, the strategies that I use to teach the material. I can promise you that's something different and something very, very efficient in the preparation for these exams. I'm waiting for your contact. My name is Henrique Caesar. I am a CFA exam prep provider.